So everybody, welcome to the next part of our Hondkart series. So what we're going to be doing in this video is just chucking the front end together, mocking it all up. Now that we've got everything manufactured, fit it together temporarily, later on strip it apart, finish it down, bushes, clean everything up, paint it, grind everything off we need to and make it look a bit prettier. Other than that, we'll chuck it together and see how it comes out. So we've decided to machine the heads of these down to about 16, 17 mil. At this stage we're going to run them down to 17 mil on the lathe, and we are then going to press fit them in the pipe, weld them in the pipe, so it's a better option than just jamming these in cut off. We give it a bit more place for it to sit onto, and we should be good to go. And there we have it, machined down. Press fit that in, and hopefully it should work all right. So there we have it. The tags are on for the upper suspension. We shall see how it all goes. Hopefully it all holds together. We shouldn't have any issues with that. So now we're going to take this bit and drill all these out. We'll make spaces up for in here for the bushes, which is what we needed to do anyway. We're going to mock the whole front together, put the bar in, get all this stuff in, measure these for here, drill everything, sit it together and see how it works. And there we have the mocked up front. Tidy all this up, paint everything, clean everything, bolt all this in properly obviously. We're going to make some bushes for in here, all this, space these out where they need to be. We'll get that right, but otherwise should do the job.